The hummingbirds are fighting.
Yeah.
I'm about to... Oh, there they are. They got the one down there still guarding his. That one's guarding his. He said, nobody's coming to get mine. This one right here.
He's chewing a feather. Oh.
There they go. They're fighting.
Yeah. It was one of the hens that were running. He was just trying or whatever, but he had her by back feathers.
Oh Lord. Poor chicken. Hoppy gonna be hopping again.
He's just now being able to use his leg.
Look at them.